Greetings to all. I am Kanika, research scholar at Haryana School of Business, Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar in India, and working under the supervision of Dr. Pardeep Gupta, professor at Haryana School of Business, Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology, India. I and Professor Gupta have co-authored a conceptual research paper titled Change Management in Industry 4.0 based organizations. And here I am going to make a video presentation of the same. This is a dual-purpose study. Firstly, the paper explores the various concepts of Industry 4.0 and the changes arisen in the business organizations by studying the existing literature. Secondly, the paper aims to identify the steps taken or need to be taken to manage these changes. A number of studies have been carried out identifying the new challenges and adoption of transformative practices by the Industry 4.0 based companies in different time periods by researchers in India and abroad. In the present study, 31 research papers such as Agostoni and Filippini, Benisova and Stupa, Berber and Lekovic, Bhattacharya and Nair, Coop, Doe et al., Eero Garces, Haklau et al., Liboni et al., Liu, Pfeiffer, Roblek et al., Shivathanu and Pillai, etc., have been reviewed to conceptualize the changes in the management practices in the era of Industry 4.0. The papers reviewed have been published in Emerald, JSTOR, Science Direct, Springer, and other relevant journals. Also, various insights and excerpts have been taken from the official publication of the Automotive Industry 4.0 Summit 2019 organized by Confederation of Indian Industry, that is CII, and a report by McKinsey and Company. Over the last 10 years, technologies like cyber physical systems, that is CPS, and Internet of Things, that is IoT, have given birth to a new age revolution in the industrial sector, which was termed as Industry 4.0, that is I 4.0, for the first time in Hanover Fair event held at Germany in 2011. Industry 4.0, also coined as the fourth industrial revolution, is a new concept which involves technological innovations applied in industrial processes. The concept of Industry 4.0 refers to the combination of hardware and software machinery, humans, production lines, and processing systems within the organizational boundaries, supposed to develop a setup where everything is interconnected to share information in a real-time framework. Industry 4.0, the so-called smart factory or the real-time factory, is a concept related to new trends in manufacturing disciplines. The Confederation of Indian Industry, that is CII, the industrial body in India, has defined smart manufacturing in line with the concept of Industry 4.0, stating, I quote, smart manufacturing brings together closed-looped digitalized processes, people, and connected assets, leveraging a virtual platform across design, manufacturing, and services, leading to mass customization, speed, quality, productivity, and security. Unquote. But These emerging technologies are bringing rapid automation and unprecedented shift in job structures, putting up many threats in labor markets and major challenges for policymakers who are vested with the responsibility of imbibing the required skills into the workforce. Old work activities are being replaced by new ones at a blistering rate. According to a World Economic Forum report, the most sought after tasks or jobs today did not exist 10 or even 5 years ago, and about 65% of the children entering primary school today will end up working in entirely new jobs by the time they become competent to work professionally in the business or corporate world. With the application of digital technologies, the nature and way of working is going to change permanently. Data analysis and subsequent data synthesizing for better sense making would form the part of modified job roles of employees. This paper aims to study the change management system of business organizations, introducing and implementing Industry 4.0 based technologies. This study examines research conducted majorly between years 2016 to 2019. We studied for the keywords such as change management, Industry 4.0, or management practices to perform the overall review in the title or abstract of the articles. The keywords associated with these 31 articles were noted, and the articles were analyzed on the basis of different characteristics like types of relationship found between various constructs, external variables, and methodology. 12 out of 31 studies were published or reported in 2019 and 6 each in 2018 and 2017, meaning thereby that three-fourths of the researches undertaken were published or reported within 3 years of our study. Nearly 55% of the researches have been done in Europe, 33% in Asia, and rest 12% in North America region. Senior leaders or managers, both HR and non-HR, field experts in technology, and top-level management officials constituted the major part of respondents in almost all the reviewed researches. Only one research had employed adults as their respondents, indicating the employee's perspective regarding the change management of Industry 4.0 based organizations. Also, it is to be noted here that a large portion of the respondents was male, indicating that there are quite a high number of male adults in leadership or at the top level management positions as compared to their female counterparts. Nearly half, that is 15 out of 31 of the researches have been done through literature review. Out of the remaining, 15 researches have been done through the qualitative survey, that is either by questionnaire or by interview method. It is observed that the researchers which used the questionnaire survey method to collect the data recorded 20 to 40% response rate, except one study where approximately 64% of the distributed questionnaires gave useful data. Now, our findings have been divided into three subcategories. Uh, Number one category relates to the Industry 4.0 based technologies, its identification. The technologies of fourth industrial revolution, commonly known as Industry 4.0, are classified into 9 categories, namely augmented reality, Internet of Things, cybersecurity, big data, additive manufacturing, advanced manufacturing solutions, simulation, system integration, both horizontal and vertical, and cloud computing. 3D printing, which has a huge potential of transforming production processes and supply chains, also forms part of Industry 4.0 technologies and is being used by manufacturing companies in India. When combined with digital technologies, 3D printing has a far-reaching application in supporting the integration of product design, manufacturing, and delivering processes. Another emerging technology is the introduction of robotics in performing day-to-day activities of business organizations. Artificial intelligence enabled robots are changing the shape of industrial processing in terms of speed, safety, and precision. Big data and artificial intelligence is set to automate most of the human resource activities. Virtual leadership is emerging as a new form of digitalized human resource management practice. Now, the second category of our major findings relates to the changes that have arisen in the business organizations who have embraced or adopted Industry 4.0 based technologies. First type of changes are technological. Automation has taken over both at product and process level. Advanced manufacturing has led to individual customer oriented products and services rather than standardized common output. Digitalization has automated most of the human resource processes and has resulted in technological unemployment by substituting human workforce. Second type of change is job loss. Automation advancements have endangered manual and routine jobs to a great extent. Job type. Employee requirements have shifted from unskilled to skilled labor employment. Not only day-to-day manual jobs, but also moderate cognitive tasks are automated by the way of artificial intelligence and robots. Short-term tasks or jobs like part-time or on-call jobs are replacing long-term secured jobs. Mon- Monotonous physical strenuous work are getting replaced by cognitive and creative work. Fourth type of change is related to job role. A significant gap has been created between the current capability of employees and newly evolved job roles. Employees are now required to possess skill variety, including technical, communication, and information communication technology skills. Following are some modified job roles that are emerging in the Industry 4.0 era. Number one, knowledge of working with huge databases, problem solving attitude, creativity, flexibility to adopt new work environment, analytical or logical thinking, multilinguistic skills, handling technology and automated machines and tools, teamwork spirit, decision making capabilities, that is, entrepreneurial thinking, interdisciplinary learning, ambiguity tolerance, ability to work under pressure and transfer knowledge, digital competency, media and networking skills, and last, proactive orientation. Now, human resource management changes. HRM practices are getting digitalized and advanced. Transformed HRM practices include finding, attracting, and attaining skilled workforce, employee talent development, and incorporation of women workforce at the higher levels of management. Now, shared workplace. The concept of a shared economy and crowdsourcing is picking up rapidly. The jobs are being related and outsourced. The business organizations are aiming to reduce the specific workspaces dedicated to particular work activities and shifting to shared workspaces to lower down their office space investment. Now, the last part of our major findings relate to the change management techniques in order to cope up with the changes that have arisen and that have been discussed just above. First type of techniques are technological techniques. Use of the sensor-based alarming and alert system. Use of cloud-based Internet of Things operating system. Developing remote location monitoring systems. Digitalization. Developing and ensuring data security and privacy. The ability of fault and error recovery. Collaboration with external entities or partners, both intra-industry and inter-industry, for innovation. Creation of virtual learning platforms to facilitate the transfer of developed knowledge and skills among employees. And last, increasing accessibility points of for employees. Now, HRM techniques. Human resource activities act as a moderator in the effective implementation of Industry 4.0 technologies. It is important to realign HR policies and practices to embrace this technological change effectively. Following practices will assist in change management, upskilling or reskilling of the current workforce through on-job coaching and mentoring, training courses and development programs for employees, including HR personnel and HRD professionals, international work assignments, recruiting highly skilled employees, including foreign talent, workforce gamification, positive attitude and intention of HR personnel towards the adoption of new technologies, real-time employee well-being check, continuous performance feedback, encouraging innovative and creative ways of doing things, dedicated leadership development programs, change in leadership styles, that is, encouraging the widening up of women talent pipeline to the top level management positions, and decentralization of power are emerging leadership styles. Encouraging teamwork by assigning team-based projects and reducing per person workload through shared work, thus reducing stress and increasing satisfaction and productivity too. Developing interdisciplinary communication channels, creation or development of creative jobs, flexibility in HR policies, embracing freelancing, that is, short-term job type, developing interpersonal skills, digital competence, and resilience among employees, striking a balance between the mindset of the top level management, middle level managers, and the budding leaders. And now the rest of the techniques are as follows. Integrating higher education curricula with the modified needs and requirements of the industry. That is, collaboration with educational institutions. Increasing the organization's adaptive capability. And last, sharing data and workspaces. Thank you very much.